Stop by and take a look at the 2009 MDX. The ACURA MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, intermittent wipers, HID headlights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.